Transcript: imagine a world where your wheelchair can climb stairs, your bike can fold into a suitcase, and your jet ski can literally fly into the sky. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, these 10 futuristic machines are very real, and they're changing the way we think about transportation. Number 1. Stratosphere Aquatica. The Stratosphere Aquatica is a futuristic watercraft that takes hydrofoil technology to breathtaking new levels. Unlike ordinary boats that plow through the waves, this beauty rises above the water as it speeds up thanks to its aerodynamic hydraulics. This means less drag, higher efficiency, and a ride so smooth it feels like flying. Imagine gliding silently across a lake, cutting through the mist as if you're piloting a craft from a sci-fi movie. Built with a sleek carbon fiber body and a powerful electric motor, the Stratosphere is as environmentally friendly as it is thrilling. It's not just transportation. It's an adventure designed for dreamers, explorers, and thrill seekers who want to redefine what water travel feels like. Number 2. Terraglide. The Terraglide is the ultimate hybrid between a scooter and an all-terrain vehicle. Designed with versatility in mind, it thrives on city roads, hiking trails, and even grassy parks. Its wide wheels and adaptive suspension system provide unmatched stability, ensuring you glide comfortably across almost any surface. The electric motor delivers silent power, letting you cover long distances without breaking a sweat, while the ergonomic design makes it easy to ride for hours. It's rugged yet refined, a machine that adapts to your lifestyle instead of the other way around. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a weekend adventure, the Terraglide ensures the journey is as exciting as the destination. Number 3. Itatamel Bike. At first, the Ioma Tatamel bike looks like a futuristic suitcase, but in just moments, it transforms into a fully capable electric motorcycle. This incredible piece of engineering is designed for city dwellers who value both portability and performance. Despite its compact folded form, it offers enough power and range to comfortably tackle daily commutes. And with customizable side panels, riders can truly make it their own. Whether they want a bold splash of color or a subtle minimalist design, it charges quickly, stores almost anywhere, and makes owning a motorbike in tight urban spaces finally possible. The Tatamel bike proves that motorcycles don't have to be big and loud to make a bold statement. They can be small, smart, and stylish. Number 4. One Wheel GTS Series. The One Wheel GTS Series isn't just a ride, it's an experience. Riders balance on a single oversized wheel powered by an electric motor, controlling acceleration and braking simply by shifting their body weight. The feeling is something between surfing, snowboarding, and skateboarding, but with the freedom to take it almost anywhere. Unlike smaller boards, the GTS series offers improved torque, longer range, and rock-solid stability, making it suitable for both city cruising and rugged off-road exploration. Its intelligent design ensures smooth handling, while powerful lights let you keep riding after the sun sets. For adrenaline junkies and adventure lovers, the One He GTS series is the closest you'll get to surfing the Earth itself. Number 5. Merkin Wheels Transport. Practicality and futurism meet in the Merkin Wheels TR and SBRD. This three-wheeled foldable scooter is designed for maximum stability, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who values comfort over balancing tricks. Its powerful electric motor provides impressive acceleration, while the durable battery keeps you riding for miles on a single charge. The foldable frame means you can easily bring it on public transport, stash it in your car, or slide it under your desk. Unlike most scooters, its wide foot platform and ergonomic handlebars make longer journeys feel natural and fatigue-free. Sleek, efficient, and surprisingly stylish, the Transport is the kind of smart personal mobility device that makes commuting feel futuristic. Number 6. Jog-along Stroller. For parents who refuse to compromise between fitness and family time, the Jog-along Stroller is a revolution. Traditional strollers are clunky, limiting, and not designed for active lifestyles. But the Jog-along changes everything. With its advanced suspension and lightweight design, it glides smoothly whether you're jogging, running, or even cycling. Its ergonomic handlebar system adapts to your stride, meaning you can exercise naturally without discomfort while your child enjoys a smooth, safe ride. Built with high-quality materials and safety features, it's not just a stroller, It's a fitness partner that helps families stay active together. For parents who want adventure without leaving their kids behind, the jog-along stroller is the ultimate solution. Number 7. Scalivbo Wheelchair. The Scalivbo wheelchair is redefining accessibility with technology that feels straight out of the future. Unlike conventional wheelchairs, it can climb stairs with ease, thanks to its innovative track system. At the push of a button, it switches from wheels for smooth, everyday travel to caterpillar-like tracks that grip stairs safely and securely. This groundbreaking feature offers independence and freedom that many wheelchair users have never had before. Beyond its stair-climbing ability, the Scalivbo is stylish, comfortable, and packed with advanced controls that make it intuitive to use. It's more than just a wheelchair. It's a symbol of innovation that breaks barriers and empowers people to live life without limits. Number 8. e-Scooter Pro. Sleek, modern, and loaded with smart technology, the e-Scooter Pro is every commuter's dream. Designed for fast-paced city life, it offers long battery life, quick charging, and a lightweight yet durable frame. What makes it stand out is its smart connectivity. Riders can link it to their smartphone to track speed, battery levels, and even lock or unlock the scooter remotely. It's foldable, portable, and built with premium materials that make it both stylish and functional. With zero emissions and low running costs, it's an eco-friendly choice that doesn't sacrifice performance. The e-Scooter Pro is the perfect blend of technology and practicality, making every ride a smart ride. Number 9. Jetivator. The Jetivator is one of the most exciting machines ever created for water lovers. Imagine a flying bike powered entirely by water pressure. That's exactly what this invention delivers. Connected to a personal watercraft, it uses high-pressure streams to lift riders into the air, sometimes soaring several meters above the surface. Skilled riders can perform tricks like flips, dives, and spins, making it part watercraft, part extreme sport. The rush of flying above water, combined with the freedom to maneuver like a bird, makes the Jetivator an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a daredevil looking for thrills or someone who just wants to taste flight, this machine turns ordinary lakes and oceans into your own aerial playground. Number 10. Carolrike. The car trike combines the fun of a bicycle with the stability of 3 wheels and the efficiency of an electric motor. Its compact size makes it perfect for crowded city streets, while its balance and control make it accessible for riders of all ages. With a surprisingly powerful motor, it handles inclines and long rides with ease. Stylishly designed and built for convenience, the Carolite trike is eco-friendly, cost-effective, and fun to ride. It's a great option for commuters, casual riders, or anyone looking for a greener alternative to cars or motorcycles. By combining practicality with personality, the Carolite trike proves that sustainable transportation can still be exciting.